So everybody, this I'm going to show you how to install the sway bar bushing of the endlinks, or the endlink bushing, call it however you like. For this job you're going to need your bushing, vice grips, a bag or something that can be used to protect the paint, the Powerflex lube, and some extra silicone grease, because this lube isn't enough. It's probably enough for one. So now what you're going to do is prepare your swear words vocabulary and start. So first of all, what you want to do is take your endlink. You want to see how it was installed previously. I saw it on the video I done. It's like this, not like this. It is like, wait, yes, like this. So you take your bushing, your silicone grease, you take your lower drop link bushing. You can also do it without it. I've tried it and it works pretty good until now. Let me put the camera on so you can see everything nice. Take the end link. Let me see again. No, it's supposed to be in like this, so you want to put it in like this. So you will put it on and put it on and push it on. Yes. So take it, use some lube, silicone grease. It's exactly the same as the Powerflex one. It even says it on the cartridge that it's silicone grease. It has exactly the same consistency. This is the stuff I'm using. You can use whatever you like. If you install a rubber bush, it's exactly the same procedure. Maybe it's a little bit more easy. It's a little bit easier. So it's like this. Yes. Let me see. You take your guy here, your little friend. Don't over lube it. Let me wipe a little bit of it off. Avoid getting it here on the edges so it won't be able to pop out. I'm cleaning it off, so there's just a little bit. You don't want to over grease this one or the endlinks will pop out. Now take your bushing. I can do it without one too, but and push it in. That's what she said. You don't want to push it through. It will probably happen while installing. So perfect. Now what you want to do is take your Powerflex lube. I'm just using it because I have it. I would have no problems using this grease here. Take the Powerflex lube. Put some on your finger. Little or a lot. Do whatever you like. See me here. Stick your finger in. I know that looks a little bit, but doesn't matter. It works. Now what you want to do is go to your sway bar. Here. Let me get a better camera angle. This way. Have to remove all the excess grease. If I ever get it removed. Now I'm going to put it on. So, let me show what I'm doing. What's going to happen is I will try to push it in, and then it will pop in or out again. Because if it wouldn't, it would be fun if it would work with the first time, but this shouldn't be any fun. try the bushing trick again. And now what will happen is oh, finally! I did it! So, if you like this video, like. If you want other people to see this video of me saying a lot of bad words, share it. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe. As always, have a nice day and have fun with your vanagon. Bye.